Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. So today we are going to be talking about pips and lot size. As you all know, pips and lot size are the basic things you need to understand in trading before you start jumping into trade, because if you don't understand this, you're going to blow your account. So today I'm here to break it down in a way that you understand. Okay, so what I'll be going over today is that I'm going to be talking about what is a pip, how to calculate pips, you understand, how to calculate lot size, okay, and prefer lot size for different account size. So you know that you cannot understand lot size if you don't understand pips. So first of all, I want to talk about pips, how to calculate your pips manually, and after that I'm going to talk about lot size, how to calculate your lot size the perfect way and easy way. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So the first one on the list is, what is a pip? Pip means percentage in point. It is the smallest unit of price movement in the currency pair. So let's say for instance now, if a currency pair move from 0.0001 to 0.0002, in forex we say that the pair has moved 1 pip. So in this video, I'm just going to be using currency pair as example. I'm not going to be talking about commodities, I'm not going to be showing you how to calculate pips on commodities like XAU, USD, US oil, okay? I'm not going to be talking about indices. I'm only going to be talking about only currency pairs, okay? Currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY. I'm going to show you how to calculate only currency pairs, no commodities, no indices or crypto. I'm just going to be teaching you how to calculate forex currency pairs. So I'm going to be using Euro USD and USD JPY as example. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. As you all know, pips stands for percentage in point. So guys, I'm going to be using Euro USD as an example here. So guys, let's say in our chart the price is at this particular point here, 1.1050, and you are looking at this chart, you are analyzing this chart that Euro USD is going to move 1 pip. All you have to do is for you to come down to this 4 decimal point here and add 1. Okay, let's say 1 all over, that is 1501. Okay, this is your answer. We say that the chart has moved 1 pip. Okay, let's say for instance now we're analyzing that the chart will move 10 pips. So let's say 10 pips. All you have to do is for us to come and add 10 here. Then you change this to 60. So this is going to be our projection of where the chart is going. So we are basically adding 1 pip to the first decimal point, which will give you the next price in which the pair is going. So let's use another example here. Let's say you are predicting that Euro USD is going to move 40 pips. So all you have to do is for you to come to your chart, write 40 pips. Okay, this is 40 pips. Add 40 pips to the current price in which Euro USD is sitting at. So my current price is 1.1050 all over 4. All you have to do is just bring the 0 down, bring 901. So this is going to be your take profit or your stop loss. So this is going to be your take profit. That is when you want to buy. Let's say for instance now, if you want to buy, all you need to do is to add plus here. That's if you want to buy, you add. If you want to sell, you minus. So let's say for instance now, my chart is going down minus 40 pips. Let's say I want to short the trade, I want to sell the trade, and the chart is going down minus 40 pips. All I have to do is for me to come to my chart and minus 40 pips on it. Okay, come to my price where the price is sitting at and minus 40. So this is going to be 0 and it's going to be 1, 0, 1.1. So this is where the chart is going to be sitting at. So guys, if you want to buy, you add the pips, okay, and if you want to sell, you subtract, okay, you subtract the pips, you minus the pips in which you want to trade with. Okay, so guys, I also want to talk about USD JPY, because USD JPY and other currency pairs does not, the pips calculation is not the same. So I just want to quickly touch USD JPY before I move on to lot size and what type of lot size, what preferred lot size that you need to use for your preferred account. So guys, the only difference from Euro USD and JPY pairs is that you have to, if you want to calculate your pips on other currency pairs, okay, you have to start from other currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD. You have to start from, if you want to calculate your pip, you have to start from the fourth decimal place, which is adding 1 here. That's if you moved 1 pip. But if it's moved 10 pip, you have to add 10 here. 10 pips. If you move 10 pips, okay, you have to add, which is 0.601.1. But for JPY pairs, you have to start calculating from your second decimal place, okay, from your second decimal place. So let's say for instance now, your chart moved 1 pip. All you need to do is to add 1 here, okay, plus 1, okay, 0, 1, 5, 0, 0. So no, 2, 2, 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Alright. So you're going to start from your second decimal place for JPY pairs. Okay, to calculate. Why for other currency pairs like Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, other currency pairs, you have to start from your fourth decimal place. Okay, enough of pips. We are going to jump over to lot size. Lot size. Lot size. So lot size is like the amount of money you are putting down on a table if you want to take a trade. So for instance now we have three types of lot size. Yes, we have the micro lot size, we have the mini lot size, and we have the standard lot size. So this is for the micro, 0.01 micro lots, 0.10 mini lots, and 1.00 standard lot. So in trading, we have three types of lot size: the micro lot, the mini lot, and the standard lot. So micro lot stands for 0.01, and mini lot stands for 0.10, and standard lot is 1.0. So let's go further to explain. So if you are using a mini lot of 0.01, if you are using a mini lot of 0.01 and your chart moved 1 pip, 1 pip of a micro lot is equal to 10 cents. 1 pip a micro lot is equal to 10 cents, and 10 pips is equal to $1. Okay, 10 pips is equal to $1, and 100 pips is equal to $10. And you can see 100 pips is equal to $10. So let's go over to 0.10. 1 pip 0.10 is equal to $1. 10 pips is equal to $10, and 100 pips is equal to $100. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding it. So guys, one standard lot 1.0, one standard lot in forex trading stands for, so if one standard lot move 1 pip, what we are getting is 1 pip equal to $10, and 10 pips equal to $100, and 100 pips is equal to $1,000. So guys, as you can see here, let me quickly give you guys a recap, a summary. We are using 0.01, which is a micro lot. 1 pip is equal to 10 cents, and 10 pips is equal to $1. 100 pips is equal to $10 in a micro lot. If you are using a mini lot, which is 0.10, 1 pip is equal to $1, and 10 pips is equal to $10, and 100 pips is equal to $100. Which, if you are using a standard lot, which is 1 pip is equal to $10, 10 pips is equal to $100, and 100 pips is equal to $1,000. It's as simple as that. So guys, I want to go further to give you guys which lot size should you use for your account. Let's say you are trading a $50 account, $100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So I want to give you a specified lot size in which you need to use and trade your account. So if you have an account that is less than $100, it is advised to use 0.01 lot. Less than $1, I advise to use 0.01 lot per trade. Each of your trade, just use 0.01 lot. I mean, you can use 0.02, you can use 0.03, you can use 0.05, but it's advised for your account size, for you not to blow your account and lose your money. You should use 0.01 lot. That's if you have an account below $100. I mean, you can go further to place 5 trades, but you should use 0.01 lot for each of your trades. So if you have an account that is $200, okay, or close to $200, you should use 0.02 lots. $300, you should use 0.03 lots. Okay, so and so on till 1,000. So if you have an account that's above $1,000, it's advised that you should use 0.10 in each of your trade, which is the mini lot size. If you have an account above $1,000, use 0.10 in each of your trades. So if you have an account of 2,000, you should use 0.20 and so on till 10,000. You have an account of $10,000, which is $10,000. It's advised to use one standard lot in each of your trades. So one lot. So if you have an account of 20,000, use 2 lots and so on. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So guys, for the lot size, the bigger the lot size, the more money you can make and the more money you can lose. So it is advised that as a beginner or as a newbie in forex trading, use smaller lot size like the micro lot, which is 0.01, to avoid losing all your money. I hope this video helps you in understanding what lot size and what pips and lot size mean. So if this video helped you, like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification, join my Telegram group where I drop signals for traders. Okay, and also I have a link below this video. Click on the link to register. I normally host free webinars first of every month. You can ask me questions. The link is below. Drop your number and your email so I can message you when it's time. I'm going to drop another video explaining detail on how to go about your risk management, because risk management is one of the crucial aspects of trading. You need to understand risk management before you can jump into trading. If not, it's going to mess your trading up. Bye. See you on the next video.